In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a newsletter on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Creating a newsletter is a fantastic way to stay connected with your audience, and with Squarespace, the process is both simple and efficient. First off, start by visiting Squarespace's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers a variety of ways to log in, but for ease of use, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This will streamline the process, especially if you're already logged into your Google account in your browser. Simply click on your Google account to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. There will be a section for your sites if you have more than one. Choose the one you want to work on. Once you've selected your site, you'll be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. The next step is to enter the editing mode of your website. Look for an edit option, which should be easily visible from your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Squarespace's editing interface is quite intuitive, so don't worry if you're new to this. Upon entering the editing mode, your next action will be to add a new block to your site. Blocks are essentially the building blocks of your Squarespace site, allowing you to add different types of content. You'll find the Add Block button. Click on it and a variety of options will appear. Among the options, you'll want to select the newsletter block. This block is specifically designed to integrate a newsletter sign-up form directly onto your page. You can then position this newsletter block wherever you see fit on your page. Squarespace offers a drag and drop interface, making it effortless to move your newly created newsletter block to the perfect spot. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, the final step is crucial. Don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save option and click on it. And there you have it, a newsletter sign-up form beautifully integrated into your Squarespace site. Remember, the key to a successful newsletter goes beyond just setting it up. Consider your audience and the kind of content they would appreciate. Be thoughtful with your newsletters and use them to genuinely connect with your audience. This will not only increase your sign-up rates, but also bolster the overall engagement with your site. That wraps up our guide on creating a newsletter on Squarespace. It's a straightforward process that can have a big impact on your site's engagement levels. So go ahead and give it a try. Who knows? Your next newsletter could be the beginning of a beautiful conversation with your audience.